Hello guys, welcome to Top 10 Fix channel. Today I want to show you one website that you can check your iPhone, is it locked with iCloud or not. Okay, firstly you need to go to one website. I'm going to show you right here. You see the website address is unlocker.com. okay, that you have to go down. Right here you need to type your IMEI on the iPhone. So I want to show you guys the IMEI. Okay, so if you want to check your IMEI on the iPhone, you have to select on call Dell like this. Okay, and then the IMEI is appear on the iPhone. You can check the two IMEI of them. You can type the first IMEI or the second IMEI into the website, whatever you want. Okay, so in this video I want to choose the first IMEI. So that you need to type the IMEI. I have already typed the IMEI in it, and then I just only paste the IMEI right here. You need to check again and again for the IMEI between the phone and the IMEI that you type on the website. Okay, I have already checked it right here. 35 31 35 31 02 100 89 50 and 90. Okay, that's okay. And then after that you need to select on check button, and you need to wait for a minute to the process. Alright, then everything is on the bottom. Okay, so what you can see right here, find my iPhone. Okay, find my iPhone here is on. Okay, so you can go to see your phone. Is it locked with the iPhone? Is it locked with the iPhone like the website show you? So see, find my iPhone right here. My iPhone is locked with iCloud because I have turned on Find My iPhone. So, and then I want to turn off the Find My iPhone. I want to type my password, so I need to skip this. Okay, I start to turn off Find My iPhone. Alright, it's turning off Find My iPhone. So I need to check again, is it locked with iCloud or it isn't. And then you have to go back again and type your IMEI again. Okay, and click on the check button. Wait a minute, and it is working for the information. Alright, that's it. And then you have to go down to find my iPhone right here. Okay, that is off. So what I want to show you guys right here, this website is good for you, and you can trust this website by checking the IMEI for the iCloud. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.